Hello everybody, Ghostblade 1062 here with another rolling stock review. Today we will be looking at set number 4 of 5 of the Sudexpress BSAS Zacns type tank cars, with this set having the Hawk, Lion, and Rhino paint schemes. And now, let's move on to the unboxing. Alright, so taking a look at our box, just like the previous sets, we have the MAD and BSAS and ELP logos on the front of the box here, with the left side having a line drawing of a tank car and an age restriction warning in a number of different languages, as well as the manufacturer logo here in the top left. The bottom again has the manufacturer logo and line drawings of the cars, as does the right side, which also has the address of the manufacturer and their website. And the top of the box again has the manufacturer's logo, as well as we have the product ID, this being S783904. And here we see the 3 different cars. So we have car 3780-7839-210-7 Hawk. We have 236-2 Lion and 229-7 Rhino. And of course we have the product barcode here as well. And now, opening up the box, we have a sheet of foam covering our clamshells. We also have our exploded parts diagram here of the tank car. And of course our 3 actual clamshells here. Starting with number 1, the Rhino, or the Hawk, we do have this baggie of separately fitted parts, which are our prototypical coupling hooks and airline hoses. And here is car number 1. Car number 2, Lion. And car number 3, Rhino. And with all 3 of these cars now taken out of the box, we can move on to the detail overview section of the video. Time to take a closer look at these tank cars. Starting with the Hawk car. At the front end here we have our buffer beam with 2 buffers and our coupling hook in the center, right above our NEM coupler. On top of the buffer beam we have a corrugated walkway made out of plastic with steps on either side and separately fitted handrails with a brake wheel. Moving on to the side of the car here, We have our trucks, which have suspension and brake detailing to them. We also have our hookup point for crane hook to re-rail the car. And of course we have our information plate here, which contains our BSAS reporting marks, our 12-digit road number, this being 3780-7839-210-7, and we also have our capacity information here, as well as several blank plates for warning labels. Moving along the frame here, we have our discharge hookup with valves and various control levers. And moving towards the far end here, we have another crane hookup point. And on the side here of this car, we have our hawk motif, which is very nicely done. Looking at the far end of the car, we have our stirrup step here, as well as our grab iron to climb on top of the buffer beam, with our buffers and coupling hook here. And then on this side we see much of the same detailing, just with the crane hookup points being reversed from the other side. Looking at the top of the car, we have our corrugated walkway here, as well as our filling hatch and air release valve, I should say, as the car fills. And looking at it from the underside, we see our NEM shafts with the couplers on either side. We have our metal wheel sets, and we also see our brake line detailing with air reservoir tank here and our piping for the discharge system. Now on to the next car, which by ways of physical detailing is more or less the same, with the only real differences being the road number, this one being 3780-7839-225-5, and having the lion motif, which I have to say the main detailing on the lion is incredibly well done. And finally we have our third car, the Rhino, this being car number 3780-7839-229-7. So all in all, another set of beautifully detailed tank cars from Sudexpress. And next, we will move on to the rip track segment of the video, where we will make sure the cars are ready for running on the track. Time for the rip track segment. To begin with, we are going to verify the wheel gauge of all 3 tank cars using the NMRA standards gauge. And axle number 1 of the first car is good. Axle number 2 is good. Axle number 3 is good. And axle number 4 is good. Now on to the Lion car. Axle 1 is good. Axle 2 is good. Axle 3 is good. And axle 4 is good. And now onto the hawk car. Axle 1 is good. Axle 2 is quite tight, but still manageable. Axle 3 is good. And axle 4 is good. So all of our axles are in proper gauge, with just one being on the tighter side of things. So now we can move on to converting the couplers over to knuckle couplers. Starting with the Rhino car, coupler number 1. And I did already adjust the coupler trip pins of these knuckle couplers. Now for coupler number 2. There we go. Now onto the lion car. Number 1. And number 2. And finally onto the third car, the hawk. Coupler number 1. And coupler number 2. Now we just need to verify the coupler height. And since we have the hawk car already on hand, we'll start with that one. And coupler number 1 is good. These cars are super free rolling too, and coupler number 2 is good. Maybe a touch low. Now onto the lion. Coupler 1 is good. Oop. There we go. And coupler number 2 is good. And finally onto the third car, the Rhino. Coupler 1 is good. And coupler number 2 is good. Alright, so all of our couplers are in proper gauge. Our wheels are in proper gauge. So now let's take the cars over to the track for a test run with the first 3 sets. Alright everybody, this concludes my review of the fourth set of the Sudexpress BSAS Zacns type tank cars. This set having had the Hawk, Lion, and Rhino motifs on the tank cars. And once again, a very well done set. It's running super smoothly. And all in all, a very nice addition to the collection. In the future, I do hope to obtain the matching locomotive for this set and complete the unit train. All in all, I don't have anything negative to say about the set, and I can't wait to complete the train, with next week's video being the fifth set of these cars and the final set, and I look forward to it. That being said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment, and subscribe for more model railroad content. Have a great day, everybody.